Hello, hello. This is Jackie Evich, and today I'm going to share something very simple with you to help you to be able to earn money. I have a very simple plan to help you earn money with a simple debit card. So first, let's go here to move that over there. Okay, here we are on my Facebook page. This is my family, my husband, three of my children, and three of my grandchildren. And so here we are. We had an opportunity to take a trip, an all expense paid trip to Six Flags. And so we couldn't help but take a picture with Tweety Bird. So we had lots of fun that day. Just a family get together. It was an amazing, amazing trip. It's always good to get together with family and enjoy life, And so this is one of the reasons why I show people how to earn money online. And so this particular opportunity, it is so simple, and that is the name of it. It's a simple debit card. So let me go to my back office here, and I can show you the money that I've earned. The $20 that are in green. Those are the earnings. It's 20 there, 20 here. See if we can scroll up. Okay. There's a 40 that I withdrew, another 20, another 20. So about $80 that I've earned so far, $80 to $100 that I've earned so far with this particular program. And pretty much like what you're gonna do, let me go back here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the link below or wherever you see the link. You're gonna click the link and you're going to sign up with Simple. It's an online free checking account. And so you're going to sign up, and then Simple is going to, they're going to send you a debit card. And so when you get your debit card, you are going to activate your debit card. You're going to put just a few dollars on there, make a small purchase, and then because you signed up with me, you're going to get a free $20. So at that time, you will get your link and you would share your link with other people, and you get unlimited $20 deposited to your account. I mean, guys, it is so amazing. It is so easy. It is so simple. I just started this and I've already made $100. I just started this and I've already made $100. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay? This is going to be an amazing journey online, and this is one of the free offers that I have where you can make money online free just from a refer a friend, share your link, and get unlimited $20 bills to your account. Okay? This has been Jackie Evans, and I'll talk to you on the next time.